Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best wine glass brush cleaner is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools, but trust me, it's a game changer. Tired of struggling to clean those delicate wine glasses? This little gadget makes it a breeze, ensuring your stemware sparkles and shines. We're diving deep into the world of wine glass brush cleaners, exploring what makes a great one and why you need it in your life. Number 5. Boao 3 PCS Decanter Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing the Boao Cleaning Brush Set. This set makes cleaning hard-to-reach areas a breeze. It includes brushes of different sizes and cleaning balls. The package includes 3 sizes of foam brushes and about 150 stainless steel cleaning balls. These tools are designed for repeated use, ensuring effective cleaning. To use, add water and the cleaning balls to the container, then rotate. Wet the corresponding brush and insert it into the glassware. This removes stains effectively. This set is perfect for cleaning decanters, wine goblets, cups, and various containers. It's also a great gift for wine enthusiasts and anyone who appreciates clean glassware. After use, simply clean the brushes and balls with water and let them air dry. This ensures the set's longevity and continued effective use. What we like. This set includes brushes of different sizes and cleaning balls, making it versatile for various glassware. If you have a variety of glasses and decanters, this is the perfect choice. It ensures that you can clean all your glassware with ease, from wine glasses to coffee pots. What people say. The brushes are thick and of good quality and can be bent freely, as shown in the picture. Cleans the bottom of the decanter so well. Useful bar tools, well-made set and good value, works well on the glass interiors. Number 4. Brushtech B61C Wine Glass Cleaning Brush. This brush is engineered with non-scratch foam bristles, providing unmatched care for your crystal stemware and delicate glassware. The soft bristles clean without leaving scratches, preserving the brilliance of your glass pieces. It's perfect for maintaining the clarity of your collection. This glass cleaner brush is your go-to tool for rejuvenating everything from delicate wine glasses to everyday goblets. It ensures a sparkling, streak-free clean every time. The brush is designed to withstand regular use while delivering exceptional cleaning performance. Experience unmatched durability and superior performance with this bottle brush cleaner. It's expertly crafted to deliver exceptional longevity, lasting much longer than conventional brushes. This design ensures that your glassware remains spotless and protected, maximizing shine and clarity. Simplify your cleaning routine with this brush, the ideal tool for preserving the sparkle of delicate stemware and wine glasses. It effortlessly removes residue while protecting your glassware from scratches. You can enjoy the ultimate convenience with its dishwasher-safe design. Experience unmatched cleaning performance with this bottle brush cleaner, engineered with cutting-edge foam technology. This advanced foam design repels water, keeping the brush resilient and ready for use. It tackles tough cleaning challenges effortlessly, whether you're maintaining fine stemware or everyday glassware. What we like. This brush features non-scratch foam bristles that are gentle on your precious glassware. If you are looking for a way to maintain the clarity and brilliance of your crystal stemware, this is the ideal choice. It will keep your glasses sparkling and streak-free. What people say. Great for cleaning wine stemware. Can always get to the bottom of the glass with little worry about breaking the glass and cutting your hand. Love the long-handled, silicone washing brush head for getting down into narrow glasses to make them squeaky clean. The brushes are perfect for cleaning stemware without scratching. Number 3. FryOilSaver Company. B61C Glass Cleaning Brush. This glass cleaning brush is designed with non-scratch foam bristles. It ensures a gentle touch, safeguarding your crystal stemware and glassware from scratches. It helps preserve your valuable household essentials. Transform your glassware's appeal with this brush. It's specifically designed to clean all types of goblets and delicate wine glasses. This ensures an effortless clean every time, and it's made of high-quality materials for longevity. This wine glass cleaner redefines endurance. It surpasses traditional brushes and sponges with incredible durability. It can outlast standard brushes by 10 times and top-notch sponges by 20 times. This brush not only provides outstanding cleaning performance, but it is also incredibly easy to maintain. With its dishwasher-safe feature, cleaning has never been easier. Simply toss it in the dishwasher. The B61C features an exceptional foam designed for peak performance and longevity. Its cutting-edge formula repels water, helping the foam remain resilient and avoid sogginess. Users can experience top-tier quality. What we like. This brush is designed to be gentle on your glassware while effectively cleaning. If you like the convenience of easy cleanup, this is the perfect choice. It's dishwasher safe, making it a breeze to maintain your glassware's pristine condition. What people say. This is perfect material and length to quickly clean most of my glasses, mugs and thermos. It dries quickly. Wasn't sure if this would fit in thin champagne glasses, but once you get it wet, actual brush part is pretty solid. It was a perfect way to hand wash those delicate glasses. Instead of a spherical shape, this brush is elliptical, which allows it to enter any sized glass opening. The brush is slightly curved, which makes it very easy to reach all surfaces, both inside and outside the glass. Number 2. Brushtech Stemware and Goblet Cleaning Brush Set. Tired of dull glassware? This kit is designed to keep your glassware gleaming. It includes 2 brushes for precision cleaning without scratching, perfect for removing tough stains and grime. Preserve the elegance of your glassware with these non-scratch brushes. This set includes a versatile glass cleaner brush and a specialized wine glass cleaner brush. They ensure your stemware stays spotless and scratch-free. Experience the perfect balance of softness and durability. This premium bottle brush maintains its fluffy texture even after multiple dishwasher cycles. It's ideal for maintaining spotless glassware and provides consistent cleaning power. Achieve meticulous cleaning with this extended reach set. It features a round goblet brush and a flexible stemware foam brush. These brushes ensure every spot is thoroughly cleaned, making them essential for sparkling glassware. Experience unparalleled durability with this high-quality bottle brush. It's designed to last much longer than standard cleaning brushes. Made from durable materials, it guarantees consistent and reliable results for years. What we like. This set offers non-scratch cleaning and an extended reach design for meticulous cleaning. If you are a wine enthusiast or home bartender, this kit is perfect for you. It ensures that your glassware is spotless and ready for any occasion. What people say. The material is very soft, yet it grips the glass so you get all the fingerprints and lipstick off the rim, which is notoriously difficult. The shapes are perfect for even the diamond-shaped glasses, and of course the long one is great for flutes. These are great, especially since you get 2, wide and thin for different wine glass sizes. Makes cleaning a breeze and will not pick up odors due to unique material of product. Number 1. FryOilSaver B232C Wine Glass Cleaner Brush. This wine glass washer is designed with non-scratch foam bristles. It provides a gentle yet effective cleaning solution for delicate stemware and glassware. It prevents scratches and keeps your glassware in pristine condition. Enhance the brilliance of your glassware with this brush. It's designed for effortless cleaning of goblets and wine glasses. The soft bristles gently remove residue without scratching, ensuring long-lasting clarity and elegance. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this wine glass cleaner. Built to last, it outperforms traditional brushes. Its innovative design ensures superior longevity while providing exceptional cleaning power. Enjoy a seamless cleanup experience with this wine glass cleaner brush. It's designed for both outstanding performance and effortless maintenance. Simply place it in the dishwasher for a quick and easy clean. Experience superior cleaning with this brush, engineered with advanced foam technology. Its water-repellent design prevents sogginess. It's the ideal tool for maintaining spotless glassware. What we like. This brush protects your delicate glassware with its non-scratch foam bristles. If you are looking for a long-lasting and water-resistant cleaning solution, this is the perfect choice. It will keep your glassware spotless and pristine, wash after wash. What people say. The brush is easy to insert into the glass, and with some gentle twisting with a little soap, the glasses are quickly and safely cleaned. The photo illustrates how the brush gently adjusts to the size of your glass opening. They clean the wine glass efficiently but do not absorb any coloring from the red wine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.